Hello there guys, and welcome to Prepare Your Pan channel. Today we will make tagliatelle with gorgonzola sauce, shrimp and asparagus. So let's get started. In a saucepan we will add 400 grams of cream and 150 grams of gorgonzola. We will cook this on a medium heat until all the gorgonzola is melted. Make sure to scrape all the edges and the bottom of the saucepan. This will avoid burning the sauce. In the meantime, you can start boiling the water for the pasta. Don't forget to add salt to it. Also for the pasta you can use whatever type of pasta you prefer. Taste the sauce and season it with salt and pepper. Add some lemon zest. Give it a final stir and leave it aside for the moment. It's time to start cooking the pasta. Now let's prepare our asparagus and shrimps. Cut the asparagus in thirds and the shrimps in half. Make sure your shrimp doesn't have any shell, otherwise remove it. The nice thing with this dish is that the shrimps and the asparagus are cooking in the same pan. We will add some butter and a drizzle of olive oil to our pan. And when the butter is almost melted, we will add our shrimps and cook them for 2 minutes. Then we can also throw in our asparagus. Saute them for 3 minutes, squeeze some lemon juice and add 2 minced garlic cloves. We are preparing the field for our gorgonzola sauce by adding some pasta water. It's time to add our sauce and mix until it becomes a smooth cream. Taste to see if you're happy with the seasoning. Very important, the pasta always has to be al dente, otherwise it will be overcooked. Once it's done, add the pasta to our pan and mix everything together. So guys, this is pretty much done. It's a very easy recipe but full of flavors, and the gorgonzola sauce takes it to the next level. Don't forget to garnish with some Parmigiano Reggiano flakes and fresh parsley. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipes. Have a great day guys, bye!